Hello YouTube. In this video I'm going to show you how to set the cruise control in a Porsche Boxster 2011 model, and this applies to all the first generation Porsche model. So if you look at the steering wheel, at the right hand side we have a little controller, and what you're going to do is it's a little bit confusing because it says set, accelerating, and reset, decelerate. So I think what you're going to do is when you are ready to set the cruise control, you have to give gas, and then you press this button, and then you move forward. Okay, and you can release the gas, and then you can release it, and now the cruise control was set. If you want to increase the speed, you just go ahead and push it forward. Okay, if you want to cancel, you just I think you can push down to cancel, or like push back.